100 crown chakra affirmations for the 936 Hz frequency. I am open to new ideas. Information I need comes to me easily. The world is my teacher. I am guided by a higher power and inner wisdom. I am worthy of love from divine energy. I am open to letting go of my attachments. I live in the present moment. I am an extension of the universe, and the universe is kind and loving. I am connected with the wisdom of the universe. I am a spiritual being in a human body. I honor the sacred divinity that exists within me. I am a pure, beautiful, radiant light. My body is a beautiful home for my radiant soul. I am divinely protected, inspired and guided by the universe. I am deeply and unconditionally loved by the universe. I am worthy of unconditional love from divine energy. I am connected to a limitless source of creativity, abundance, health, happiness, and love. I surrender to the loving will of the universe. I am my highest, most authentic self. My highest self guides my actions and decisions. I am aligned with my soul's purpose and truth. I am always divinely and lovingly guided. I know deep inner peace. Eternal peace flows to and through me. I release the need to control my life and surrender to a higher power. I trust my intuition and listen to the wisdom of the universe. I am always held gently and lovingly guided by this universe. I am loved, cherished, and adored by this universe. Pure white light flows through me and heals my body, mind, and spirit. I am aligned with the highest frequency of love. I am clear about what I want and take inspired action to achieve my dreams. I release doubt and welcome faith. Every day, I feel more connected to my spirit. I openly accept spiritual guidance from a higher power. I bravely let go and allow the universe to reveal its beautiful plan for me. I trust that the universe gives me exactly what I need at exactly the right time. I am eternally connected to the divine source of the universe. Even when the world is immersed in darkness, I walk forward in faith, love and light. The light and energy of the universe flow within me. I have unshakable faith in my divine path. I'm source energy in a human body, and I can do anything. I surrender to my highest good. I surrender to the highest good for all. I am love, I am light, I am connected to all. I am on my perfect path for my life purpose. I become more enlightened each day. I am in harmony with nature and animals. Everything is connected. I am connected to all of life. My life is beautiful and sacred. My soul is always guiding me. I easily recognize divine wisdom as it flows to me. My life flows beautifully. I am always learning from my experiences. I'm learning to release attachments to physical things. My happiness comes from within. I observe my challenges with curiosity about what they can teach me. I am a divine being. I enjoy the little things in life. My soul chose this life experience for growth and expansion. I am a cooperative component with the universe, on the leading edge of creation. Death is nothing to be afraid of, because I am more than my physical body. All is well in my world. I am open to knowing myself more deeply. Separation is an illusion. I am connected to all that is. I am joyful. I trust the universe and I know that I am always safe. I am healing on all levels of my being. I understand that I am an important connection in the web of life. I am more than my ego self. I vibrate at the frequency of appreciation and pure joy. My crown chakra is open and in perfect balance. I choose to live in the present moment because now is all there is. All of my power is in the now. I know that everyone is at a different level of spiritual awareness and doing the best they can. I release limiting thoughts, beliefs, and relationships that no longer serve me. Abundance is a natural result of my gratitude and appreciation for life. Prosperity flows to me with ease when I am in alignment with my true self. I am oneness. I am healed on all levels of my being. I am fully aware and awake. I honor the divine within me. I am open to letting go of attachments. I am connected to all that is. I remove all limited thoughts and beliefs. I feel a strong spiritual connection to my higher self. I have unlimited possibilities available to me. I can achieve anything. I tap into my inner wisdom. I love and accept myself. I am a divine being. I am connected to the universe. All is well. Everything I seek is within me. I accept and receive divine energy to flow through my chakras. I am divinely guided. I understand my life purpose. My experiences are blissful. I am in complete control of my emotions. I am optimistic and confident. I am aware of my inner beauty. I embrace life and cherish my spirit. I radiate love and warmth. I respect the intentions and emotions of others. I am open now to receiving new energy. I surrender now to the power of the universe. I honor the divine within me.